Hello and welcome back. I hope this video can help somebody who has the same issue. So I'll show you. The issue here is this one, and well, how to fix this. It's too easy. So I will show you the steps that you must make before to fix this thing. So first things first, I'm going to minimize this. Okay, I got a lot of stuff here. Okay, you must go to Champ and open the Explorer. Okay, once when you have this thing open, you must go to your to this folder, PHP myadmin, open it, and try to find the config file. And the config file is this one. Now I'm going to edit the file with my notepad. Okay, now it's open. In this case, you're going to find the user as root, which has the default values. So in my case, I forgot to put the password here. I'm going to put the password. Now I got the password here, and then just Control S to save it. Or if you want to make more handy, just File, Save, and that's it. Anyways, now just make sure that you have the same data in user and password, because I'm going to check a couple of files more which must be the same in comparison to this one. Okay, so I'm going to close the notepad now, and I must go back, and well, I'm gonna close this thing. So go to the section MySQL, go to config, and you will see a couple of options. You will find this file. Let's open the file. And in my case, I have another error here, because if you see, all the commits has a hashtag before. In my case, this file was like this, with a hashtag here in the client side, and over here in the password, and I haven't the password. So just delete it, put your password again, and save this file, and you will have this couple of files working proper. So now let's minimize this thing, and let's go to the Visual Studio. In my case, now I have a project opened and this database connected now, but I'll show you how to make the well, a fast connection. So you must go to this file over here. It's the .env. So you will find the next values. In my case, I'm using MySQL, and you must check the host and the port, and the another couple of files that I showed you before. You're going to find the same values here. So anyways, the database connection here that I'm going to use is called clientes. So just make sure that you're going to have the username as you put it before. In my case, is root. Password is the password that I put before. Just don't forget anything. Just try to copy everything as you made before, and you will have everything working so easy. So let's go to check if this thing it's really working. Let's go back to the Champ application. I'm going to reopen this thing, and now you will see this thing is working. I'm going to just let me, okay, I'm going to close the browser, because I want to show you that this thing is it's really working. So shoot, okay, now go to admin. In the section of MySQL, you will see this thing is working now, and you will have everything working. So as you see, user its root. Just, well, you will see this thing is working very well. I have everything working now. I got everything uh, ready for to make this thing work. In my case, the database that I made was called clientes. So you will see I have some values. And well, once when you have this thing working, how can I see if this thing is working now? Or in my case, um, from Visual Studio, you must go to Visual Studio, and you're gonna put, well, let me just put a couple of comments here. Okay, clear. Okay, I'm gonna clean both. Okay, clear. Okay, first thing I'm going to open the npm run dev. Okay, just, well, it takes time because my computer is not, it's not so fast. So okay, gonna take probably 30 seconds or something like that. So let's go to here, php artisan. Okay, artisan, and you must put migrate, and you will see that everything's gonna work. And you must put this command each time when you make a new model or a new table in your database. So in this case I'm gonna do like this just to show you that the thing is working now. So I'm just going to go to push enter. I know it takes time. As I told you, my computer it's kind of slow, so gonna take some time. So let me see. Okay, this thing now is working, and okay, gonna take some time, I see. And well, I'm going to open another terminal just to okay, to put another comment just to make, well, I'm just wanna make sure that my web page is working now. PHP artisan serve. Now I'm putting the server working now. Okay, control click, and you will see my web page. Well, gonna take time. Come on, snail, come on. Takes long time. Okay. Okay. In my case, I have nothing else to migrate because I made the migration before, but everything is working. And as you see, uh, everything is working well. I have no errors. I have no problems in any any tab over here. So everything is working. I have my web page over here working too. Just let me show you. Come on. Okay, in my case now I have the my web page working here, and okay, it's taking a while. Anyways, this thing is working. I know it's kind of weird watch everything in Spanish, but doesn't matter, it's just the language. So but if you see everything is working, I can change the color of the page, everything is responsive. So well, I'm going to change the size of my web page just to show you. Come on. Oh, I'm going to inspect the page. Inspect. Okay. As I told you, it's kind of slow. It works. Oh, okay. You will see everything responding and and all the stuff changing. And well, I hope this video can help someone, as I said in the first instance. So I hope you like my content. So I used to do these things just little by little because I have no, well, I have just a little of time. I used to have like a 1 hour free per day, so I used to I used to do some stuff, and I still learning. So I hope you like the video, and well, I hope you have a very good project. Just keep working on it, keep dreaming, and let's see what can you do. Thank you and have a very nice day, and I hope you like it. Subscribe please and follow for more content. I used to make a lot of content from, well, of different stuff, so I hope, probably if this video is not the best, probably you can watch another videos for other stuff, whatever. So I hope you like my content in general, and thank you.